Hello, friends. Myself Chetan Garg, and I welcome you all to our amazing INMO question of the day series. Right, in this series, we discuss one question daily, that is of the level of INMO. Right, and previously we have already discussed two questions. You can watch the videos. Right, and in today's question again, we will be discussing one logical question, and we will deriving a function for the same. Right, एंड आई होप आपको आज के क्वेश्चन में भी बहुत मजा आएगा एंड मोस्ट लाइकली हो सकता है कुछ बच्चों ने ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी सुना हो बट येस टू डिराइव अ फंक्शन फॉर द सेम इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट राइट एंड अगेन क्वेश्चन का कुछ पार्ट के लिए आपको कोई भी मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए इवन इफ यू आर करेंटली इन 7th क्लास और 8th क्लास देन यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव द क्वेश्चन अ ट्राई राइट तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन है ना. This is a question. N persons are standing around a circle numbered from 1 to n, right? Whenever a person has a gun, he kills the next person in clockwise sense and passes the gun to the next alive person, again in clockwise sense, right? All the people do the same until one last person finally survives, right? Now, what exactly is the question? We have to derive a function, right? In terms of n, the initial number, right, and to find the number of the last survivor, right. तो क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है मैं एक बार आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. बेसिकली एक सर्कल है. सर्कल के चारों ओर कुछ n नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स खड़े हुए हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड सो ऑन. लेट्स से देर आर n person who are standing around a circle. N can be even and odd, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can either be even or it can be odd, right? So what exactly a person do? ठीक है. If let's say let's start with the first person and let's assume first person has the gun. So he will kill the second person and pass the gun to third person. Now what third will do? He will kill the fourth and passes the gun to fifth and so on, right? So this process continues, right, until a final person survive, right? So starting with one, है ना, starting with one, that is initially the gun is with the first person, right? So our aim is to find the last survivor. Obviously in terms of n we need to derive a function in terms of n to tell the final survivor, right? Let's take an example है ना. क्वेश्चन को पहले समझते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे let's assume initially n is equals to 13, right? So let's say there are 13 person 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Let's assume there are 13 persons, right? So and initially as the question says gun is along with the first person. तो पहले person के पास gun है. तो one what first will do, it will kill second and passes the gun to third. Now what third will do, it will kill fourth and passes the gun to fifth. What fifth will do, it will kill sixth and passes the gun to seventh, right? Seventh will kill eighth and passes the gun to ninth. Ninth will kill 10th and passes the gun to 11. 11 will obviously kill 12 and passes the gun to 13. Now 13 will kill the next alive person, that is 1, and passes the gun to 3. Now third will kill 5th and passes the gun to 7th. Now 7 will kill 9th and passes the gun to 11th. 11 will kill 13th and passes the gun to 3. Now 3 will kill the next alive, that is 7th, and passes the gun to 11th. And now 11th will kill third, and since no one can receive the gun, so 11 will keep the gun. So 11 is the final survivor, right? So for n equals to 13, our answer should be 11, right? So we need to derive a function, है ना, in which if we if we enter the value of n, then output should be 11, right? राइट. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो एक बार है ना, क्वेश्चन आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. तो एक n इक्वल्स टू 13 के लिए हमने ये सॉल्व भी किया, तो आवर आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 11. तो अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें ये क्वेश्चन किसी भी n के लिए सॉल्व करना है, राइट. सो वी एक्चुअली नीड टू डिराइव अ फंक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ n, राइट, टू फाइंड द लास्ट सर्वाइवर. ठीक है, तो आई सिंसियरली रिक्वेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू कि एक बार है ना वीडियो को अब यहाँ पर पॉज करो, है ना, गिव द क्वेश्चन a try, है ना, give it a 20-30 minutes try, right? And after that you can resume on the video to get some hint, right? So I'll start with the hint in 5 seconds, right? So in the meanwhile, kindly pause the video and try to solve the question, right? All right, I am proceeding to give you an hint, right? चलो ठीक है, तो अब हम एक हिंट देखते हैं, है ना। देखो अभी क्या है, एन की टर्म्स में हम पहले बाद में डिराइव करेंगे, है ना। पहले हम देखते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है। तो आपको कोई एक ऐसा नंबर देखना है, जैसे लेट से इनिशियली गन 1 के पास है ना, हमेशा इनिशियली गन 1 के पास है, राइट। तो जैसे लेट से हम छोटे नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट से देर आर इनिशियली 2 पर्सन, राइट। तो क्या होगा, 1 विल किल सेकेंड एंड कीप द गन। तो फॉर 2 persons, who will survive for 2 persons? Person number, first person will survive, right? So now let's consider for 3 persons. Let's say if there are 3 persons, so first will kill second and passes the gun to third. Now third will kill first and keep the gun, right? So for 3 persons, who will survive? Third person will survive. And obviously we are starting with the gun in the hands of the first person, ठीक है। तो हमेशा फर्स्ट पर्सन के हाथ में गन है, राइट। नाउ लेट्स से देयर आर 4 persons, 1 2 3 4, राइट। तो 1 will kill second and passes the gun to third, third will kill fourth and passes the gun to first, now first will kill third and keeps the gun. तो for 4 persons, है ना, who will survive? First person will survive, right? तो the hint क्या है? First of all, try to figure out when first person will survive, right? For how many numbers, right? What should be the initial value of n, right? For what n the first person will always survive, right? You need to figure out, like जैसे for if n is 2, अगर n की वैल्यू 2 होती है, first person will survive, right? n की वैल्यू अगर 4 होती है, then also first person will survive. So you need to figure out कि n की क्या क्या वैल्यूज हो सकती है, what are the possible values of n such that the first person who is having the gun, he will also be the final survivor, right? First try to figure out this, right? So in the next slide I will give you a hint for the same, right? So I'll again request you to pause the video and try to figure out कि for how many values of n, right? What can be the possible values of n such that the first person who is having the gun initially will be the final survivor, right? चलो, I'm giving you the next hint. All right. So देखो, in each round, let's say if there are even number of people, right? So in each round, half persons gets killed, right? So if there are 4 persons, so after one round 2 will get killed and the gun is having in the hands of first person, है ना। Now first will kill third and keeps the gun. तो 4 के लिए क्या आंसर आता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन बच जाता है ना। अब सोच के देखो, लेट से कोई भी 4 पर्सन है, A B C D, मतलब नंबर कुछ भी है, जरूरी नहीं 1 2 3 4, A B C D कुछ भी नंबर है, एंड लेट से A के हैंड में गन है और हम प्रोसेस वही क्लॉकवाइज साइंस में ही चलाएंगे, ठीक है। तो फाइनली कौन बचेगा? यस, ऑब्वियसली A बचेगा। मतलब बेसिकली क्या होगा, A will kill B and passes the gun to C, C will kill D and passes again the gun to A. Now A will kill C and keeps the gun, right? Now अगर 8 persons होते हैं, ठीक है, 5 6 7 8, let's say there are 8 persons initially, 1 2 and for that matter let's name them A B C D. They have, let's say, any number, right? And let's say B is having, chalo, let's say A is having the gun this time, right? Now in the first round what will happen? B D F H, they'll get killed and after completion of one round gun is in the hands of A, right? Now there are 4 persons, so this is the scenario, है ना। तो अगर now अभी हमारे पास 4 बंदे रह गए, है ना, there are only 4 persons and first this A is having the gun, so who will be the final survivor? A. अब what we have concluded, अगर number of persons 2 हैं या 4 हैं या 8 है and continuing with the same pattern, number of persons अगर 16 है या 32, for that matter if number of persons are of to the power k, right, 2 raised to the power k, then the final survivor will be the one who is initially having the gun, right? And in all our questions, person 1 is having the gun. So if n is of the power 2 power k, right? N is of the form 2 raised to power k, then who will be the final survivor? 1 will be the final survivor, right? So I hope now this hint is very clear to you. If total number of initial persons are of the form 2 raised to power k, then person number 1 will be the final survivor. Now we need to figure out what will happen if initially number of persons, that is n, are not of the form 2 raised to power k, right? Again, I request you kindly pause the video and try to figure it out on your own. If you are not able to figure it out, what will happen if n is not of the form 2 power k, then who will be the final survivor? Then you can watch the next slide. I'll give you a hint in the next slide. All right, I am giving a hint in the next slide. All right, let's assume n is not of the form 2 raised to power k. For that matter, let's say n is 17 in this case, right? So 1, oops, just a second. So let's assume n is 1, n is 17, right? And we will see who will be the final survivor. And let's say, and so on. There are 16 and 17 initially total persons. Initially gun is in the hands of first, right? Acha, tell me how the process will start. 1 will kill second and passes this gun to third. Okay, now just hang on here, है ना? यहाँ पर हम अभी रुकते हैं. Now हमारा एक बंदा चला गया, ठीक है? Second is being killed, है ना? Second मर चुका है. तो अब how many total persons are remaining now? We have total 16 persons who are remaining, and 16 is a power of 2, है ना? 16 is 2 raised to power 4. Now since total number of persons remaining are of the form 2 raised to power k, so now the person who is having the gun will be the final survivor, right? So who will be the final survivor? Yes, third person will be the final survivor. I hope you are getting this, है ना? So if initially n is equals to 7, then who will be the final survivor? Third, person number 3 will be the final survivor. Okay, now let's take one more example. Let's say if initially n is equals to 18, right? So let's put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till 18, right? Now tell me quickly, who will be the final survivor? Yes, I hope काफी बच्चों ने correctly guess किया होगा. Good. How the process will start? Initially gun is obviously in the hands of 1. He will kill the second and passes the gun to third. Now third will kill fourth and passes the gun to this fifth person. Now when the gun is in the hands of fifth person, how many are remaining? 2 got killed, 2 मर चुके हैं, and initially we have 18. So when the gun is in the hand of fifth, number of person that are remaining are 16. And in case of 16, since 16 is a power of 2, so for this when number of persons who are remaining are 16, तो fifth के हाथ में गन है ना? So fifth will be the final survivor, right? तो आई होप अभी आपको ये समझ पे आ गया कि हमें कैसे प्रोसीड करना है, राइट? स्टिल हमें ये क्लियर नहीं है कि हाउ वी कैन डिराइव अ फंक्शन, राइट? इन जनरल n के लिए हाउ कैन वी डिराइव अ फंक्शन? कोई बात नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम एक दो वैल्यूज और कंसिडर करते हैं ना, फिर हम प्रोसेस को जनरलाइज करते हैं एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू डिराइव अ फंक्शन, राइट? चलो तो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, है ना? लेट्स टेक एनी नंबर, लेट्स टेक अ नंबर 100. ओके, let's take n equals to 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 100 persons, right? So now what we will see, हम देखेंगे कि what is the largest power which is of the form 2 raised to power k and is less than 100. 100 से छोटी ऐसी कौन सी 2 की पावर है जो मतलब लार्जेस्ट है और जो 100 से छोटी है? As we can clearly figure out, 64 is of the form it is 2 raised to power 6, right? तो इनिशियली नंबर ऑफ पीपल 100 थे, है ना? एंड व्हाट वी वांट कि n ये 100 से 64 तक आ जाए. सो बिकॉज 64 जब 64% बचेंगे देन वी कैन फिगर आउट, है ना। जब भी 64% होंगे, ठीक है, व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन गेट्स रिड्यूस टू टोटल नंबर 64 आर रिमेनिंग, देन जिस भी पर्सन के हाथ में गन होगा ना, दैट विल बी द फाइनल सर्वाइवर, राइट। तो लेट्स फिगर आउट कि जब 64 बंदे बचेंगे, व्हेन 64 पर्सन्स आर लेफ्ट, हु विल बी हैविंग द गन, है ना। लेट्स फिगर आउट दिस, है ना। तो फॉर 64 टू बी लेफ्ट, हाउ मेनी शुड बी किल्ड? 36 विल बी किल्ड, है ना। 36 को मारना पड़ेगा, राइट। तो एंड एज यू कैन सी इनिशियली कौन से नंबर्स मर रहे थे? इनिशियली इवन नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स आर गेटिंग किल्ड, है ना। सो इफ यू रिमेंबर, 1 will kill 2, passes the gun to 3, 3 will kill 4th and passes the gun to 5, 5 will kill 6th and passes the gun to 7th, right? So who will be the 36th person to get killed? It will be 36 into 2, that is 72. So 72nd person is the 36th person who is getting killed, right? So number 72 is the 36th person who is getting killed. Why? Because initially in the first round even number of people are getting killed, right? So basically क्या हुआ होगा, 71st ने 72nd को मारा होगा और 73rd के हाथ में गन होगी. Alright, now reframe the question. When gun is in the hands of 73, है ना, जब गन 73rd के हाथ में होगा तब तक कितने लोग मर चुके हैं? Then 36 persons have already died, right? So when now 36 persons are already died, how many are left? 64 are left now, okay. So when the gun is in the hands of 73rd person, only 64 persons are remaining, right? तो अभी क्या होगा, since 64 is of the form 2 raised to power k, so who will be the final survivor? 73rd will be the final survivor, राइट. आई होप ये सबको क्लियर है, ठीक है. तो लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल, है ना, एंड क्विकली वी विल सी कि हु शुड बी द फाइनल सर्वाइवर. लेट्स मेक द नंबर टू 150 दिस टाइम, 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. लेट्स से द नंबर इज 150, right? So in this case our n is nothing but 150, right? So let's figure out who will be the final survivor quickly, है ना. So first we will see कि 2 का सबसे बड़ा पावर कौन सा है जो 150 से छोटा है. We can easily figure out 2 power 7 is 128. So when 128 persons are remaining, then the person who is having the gun will be the final survivor, right? So how many has to be killed? 150 minus 128, that is nothing but 22. So when 22 persons are killed, है ना, and the person then who is having the gun will be the final survivor. So can you tell me who is the 22nd person जो मर जाएगा? He will be 44th. Yes. So what exactly will happen? 43rd will kill 44th and passes the gun to 45th. Now when 45th is having the gun, already 22nd person killed हो चुके हैं, है ना, खत्म हो चुके हैं. How many are remaining? 128. So who will be the final survivor? 45. ठीक है. So for 150, 45th will be the final survivor, right? तो आई होप अभी यहाँ तक काफ़ी कुछ आपको चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई होंगी. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर, अभी लेट से मैं आपको कोई भी नंबर देता हूँ, है ना, यू कैन क्विकली फाइंड who will be the final survivor. Let's take an example, है ना. Let's consider 300. If n is equals to 300, quickly tell me, 2 raised to power highest power is 256, right? What is the gap between 300 and 256? It is 44. 44 into 2 is 88 plus 1, that is 89. 89th person will be the final survivor, right? And I'm very sure आप लोगों ने भी figure out कर लिया होगा. But yes, अभी भी हमारा एक मेन काम पड़ा है. What? हमें फंक्शन डिराइव करना है. अभी ये तो समझ में आ गया कि सर आप हमें कोई भी वैल्यू दे दो एन की, वी कैन टेल यू द फाइनल सर्वाइवर. बट येस, आई वांट द आंसर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एन, राइट? दिस इज अगेन अ चैलेंज, है ना. ये भी एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. सो आई अगेन वन लास्ट टाइम आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, kindly pause the video and try to figure it out. If I'm giving you the value in terms of n, can you derive a function which will give us the final answer, right? Kindly pause the video, and if still you are not able to get the question, then you can again resume the video to watch the solution. All right, I'm continuing with the solution in the next slide. All right, so let's assume now we are given with n। ठीक है, तो अब हमें क्या देखना है, हमें 2 का मैक्सिमम पावर निकालना है जो n से छोटा है। ऑल राइट, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन टेक log ऑफ n टू द बेस 2। इसका वी कैन टेक ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर, राइट, फ्लोर फंक्शन। तो what this will give, this will give you the power, right? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर केस for 100, it should be of the form 2 raised to power 6 है ना, 6 will be the value, right? 6 should be the power of 2 that we are looking for. So how 6 can be obtained, log of 100 to the base 2 का greatest integer, right? Floor function of log of 100 to the base 2, this is nothing but your 6. So which is the highest power of 2? It will be 2 raised to power log of n to the base 2 floor function of this, right? So this will be treated as your 64 है ना, in this for an example of 100, right? So this will be our 64. Now what we are looking for, we are looking for the gap between 100 and 64. So what we will do, we will subtract 100 minus 64, or you can say you can subtract this from n, right? So n minus log of n to the base 2 greatest integer of, and this is nothing but raised to the power 2. Okay, let me rewrite it once again, है ना? Let me just erase it and let me rewrite it once again. All right, हाँ, so what we can write it, n minus 2 raised to power greatest integer of log of n to the base 2. Now what is this? This is our 100 minus 64, which is 36, right? But we are interested in twice of this plus 1. So final answer will be twice of this plus 1, right? This is our function which we are looking for, right? So final answer I am writing here with, let's say, with a different ink. Oops. All right, let me write it with which color? All right, let's write it with purple. Okay, so final answer Fn. Okay, purple doesn't seem to be a good color. So Fn will be twice of n minus 2 raised to power floor function of greatest integer of log of n to the base 2, right, plus 1. This will be our final function which we are actually looking for, right? This will be the answer. You can verify it, and let's put 100, and log of 100 to the base 2, that should be 6 point something. Floor function of 6 point something is 6. 2 raised to power 6 is 64. 100 minus 64, 36. 36 into 2, 72, plus 1, 73. For 100, the answer is 73. Okay, let's check. If we put 128, right? If n is equals to 128, who will be the final survivor? First person will be the final survivor. So let's just verify it, है ना? Let's substitute the value of n to be 128, है ना? And let's see whether our answer comes out to be the same, right? So okay, so if n is 128, right? So twice of n, that is 128 minus 2 raised to power log of 128 to the base 2, that will be 7, and greatest integer of 7 is 7 plus 1, right? So 128 minus 128 is 0, so the final survivor is 1, right? So our formula is perfect, है ना? This is the final formula for this is the final function in terms of n for the number of the last survivor, राइट? तो आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, है ना? एंड आई होप मैंने आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया होगा, आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें क्लियर हुई होंगी. एंड इफ़ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन क्लियरली, देन यू शुड लाइक द वीडियो, है ना? एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, एंड वी विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट INMO क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे, राइट? तो सी यू टुमारो. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. टेक अ वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ.